Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain how solar cell works and share some interesting facts about them. Solar cells are an amazing device that can convert sunlight into electricity without any moving parts or fuel. They are also called photovoltaic cells, which means light electricity in Greek. Solar cells are made of special materials called semiconductors, such as silicon, that can absorb light and release electrons. Electrons are tiny particles that carry electric charge. When light hits solar cells, some of the electrons in semiconductor gets knocked loose and start to flow. This creates an electric current that can be used to power devices or stored in batteries. A solar cell has two layers of semiconductor with different electrical properties. One is called p-type and other is called n-type. The p-type layer has more positive charges, which are called holes, than electron, and n-type layer has more electron than holes. When the two layers are joined together, some of the electrons from n-type layer fill some of the holes from the p-type layer, creating a region called depletion zone. This zone acts as a one-way barrier to prevent electrons from crossing back. When light hits the solar cells, it generates electron and holes in both layers. The electrons in the n-type layer and the holes in the p-type layer are pushed away from the depletion zone by the electric field. The electrons flow through the external circuit to reach p-type layer, and the holes flow through the same circuit to reach the n-type layer. This completes the electric circuit and provides power. Solar cell can be grouped together into modules, panels, and arrays to increase the amount of electricity they produce. Solar cells are used for many applications such as powering calculators, satellites, homes, and even cars. Some of the benefits of solar energy are that it is renewable, clean, and free. Some of the challenges of solar energy that it depends on the weather and time of the day, and that it requires a lot of space and materials to install. Solar cells also have a limited efficiency, which means that they can only convert a fraction of sunlight they receive into electricity. The efficiency of a solar cell depends on many factors, such as the type and quality of semiconductors, the design and structure of the cell, and temperature and angle of the sunlight. The first solar cell was invented in 1954 by Bell Labs researchers Daryl Chapin, Calvin Fuller, and Gerald Pearson. It had an efficiency about 6%. The most efficient solar cell today has an efficiency of 47%. It was developed by researchers from NREL in 2021. Solar energy is one of the most promising sources of renewable energy for the future. It has the potential to reduce greenhouse gas emission, create jobs, and improve living standards around the world. Solar cells are constantly being improved and innovated to make them more affordable, efficient, and durable. I hope you enjoyed learning about the solar cell, how they work, and some interesting facts about them. Thanks for watching. See you soon.